Did you know the largest structure ever built in space wasn't launched all at once? It was assembled piece by piece while orbiting Earth. The International Space Station, or ISS, began as a U.S. project called Space Station Freedom in the 1980s. After several redesigns, it became an international collaboration between the United States, Russia, Canada, Japan, and Europe. Construction officially started in 1998 with the launch of the Russian Zarya module. Over the next decade, more than 40 missions delivered new modules, solar arrays, laboratories, robotic arms, and truss segments, all carefully assembled by astronauts during spacewalks and with the help of robotic arms. Today, the ISS is about the size of a football field and orbits Earth at nearly 28,000 kilometers per hour, completing one orbit every 92 minutes. The station serves as a unique laboratory where astronauts conduct experiments in microgravity that can't be performed on Earth. It has hosted a continuous human presence since November 2000, making it one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements. Some of its most iconic features include the Destiny U.S. Laboratory, Europe's Columbus Lab, Japan's Kibo module, the Canadarm2 robotic arm, and the beautiful Cupola, offering breathtaking views of Earth. Even after more than 2 decades in orbit, the ISS continues to advance science, technology, and international cooperation, proving what humanity can achieve when nations work together in space. Outro. The ISS isn't just a space station. It's a symbol of global teamwork, innovation, and our journey toward the future of space exploration.